Hello, hello. All right. Well, welcome back to the Unboxed Advisors Facebook and YouTube page. I'm Catherine, excited to be back with you today. Woohoo! See some people trilling in for the lives. Got my stream all set up. Today in the studio, we have new lighting, new camera. How's it look on your end? I feel fabulous. I think I look fabulous, but I'd love to hear what you think. So, all right. Today, I've got an awesome one for you. For those who are Intuit fans and who are enthusiasts of QuickBooks, I've got some hot news you're not going to want to miss. But first and foremost, we got to do the YouTube-y things. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up. That really helps push this content out to other like-minded small business owners who are going to love this content. Also, I'd appreciate a subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss when we upload a video or when I go live Monday through Friday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern. I love to give you the accounting scoop of the day. All right, let's do this as promised. We're going to be talking about a significant shift that is happening in the world of accounting. This is happening over on Intuit. That is the parent company of QuickBooks. And they have announced that they're going to be bringing in what's called Intuit Assist. This is a generative AI powered assistant. It's a huge move that Intuit is stepping up their game, y'all. It's a big one. We have grown to love Intuit products because they just integrate with so many other products. So, this AI solution emerging in accounting, it's a big deal. It's a big level up. So look to see that shift coming down the pike for those QuickBooks Online users. What I think, my prediction, if I had a crystal ball of what this means for the accounting profession, is that we're going to be seeing a migration from hiring people to introducing this AI technology. AI technology is going to be able to take the place of a physical bookkeeper and be able to take care of the data entry using OCR technology. That's the technology that can read PDFs, read information, read scans of paper, and peel that information and put it onto software. We're going to see the accounting process completely automated. Now, you will still need a human to be at the helm and to be ensuring that these technology products are putting together quality work. We've already seen this shift happen first on the tech side, where about 10 years ago, at least that's the first time I heard of it, is a program called SurePrep, which it would take a W-2, you could put it through your scanner, business as usual, and it would really take that information and essentially prep the tax return. So we've already experienced that on the tax side. Now we're seeing those major shifts happening on the accounting side. So big changes coming up down the pike. There's also other players in the AI game that sit on top of QuickBooks or are complementary to QuickBooks. Those are BotKeeper and Docket. But now we're actually seeing Intuit and QuickBooks take it up a level there. So that's big news coming up down the pike, big changes for small business owners. The other change that I want to make sure that y'all know about it is as of September 12th, 2023, Intuit has sunsetted and said goodbye to Melio. Melio is a third-party bill pay system that was being integrated into QuickBooks, so that no longer is going to be in service. However, Intuit has already introduced QuickBooks Bill Pay, which seamlessly integrates within QuickBooks. As a user myself, I didn't experience really any user adjustment. So this might have been a change that you didn't even know was happening, but that is a major change. So again, we're seeing Intuit say, hey, where there's third-party software that's really popular and making things really easy, let's bring it in-house. Let's do it here. So that's another change. Now, with QuickBooks Bill Pay, you're still going to have all like the powerful tools, and you're going to be able to see things paid and keep your financial house completely in order. But yeah, it's a big step for streamlining your processes. Less vendors, the better, right, y'all? But okay, so there's one more change that we got to talk about, and this one's a little bit less newsworthy, but I still think while we're on the topic, let's get into it. So that's about QuickBooks Desktop. So Intuit, the parent company, they have QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online, we've talked about earlier using the AI. Well, now QuickBooks Desktop, Intuit is going to be sunsetting the desktop version. So as of June of 2023, maybe even and earlier than that, maybe in the springtime, they have discontinued even making the version. And as of this summer in 2023, it means that there's going to be no more critical security updates, and it's going to become an unsupported version. So it is a clear sign that technology is evolving, and it's really time to embrace that future. So, this is not a fashion trend that we're seeing. This is not something that's going to come back around again, and like using QuickBooks Desktop is going to be cool. Like, this is becoming obsolete. So what is your takeaway from all of this? Well, it's time to make the switch to QuickBooks Online. If you haven't already, now's the time to do it. QuickBooks Online has amazing and the latest features, oodles of integrations, and it will keep everything streamlined and up to date. But I know from personal experience that some businesses might face challenges with migrating to QuickBooks Online due to specific integrations or infrastructure constraints. And if that's the case for you, this is your opportunity to start planning for your legacy technology. I volunteer at a non-for-profit that uses QuickBooks Desktop, and that's what integrates with some of the state software for funding. So they're like, oh my gosh, like I'm stuck on QuickBooks Desktop. Well, we know that for companies in that situation, or if you're not able to make that switch, I've got some tips and tricks that you might want to start considering, like automating your accounts payable. Like, no one likes to pay bills, y'all. So let's start looking at introducing how to automate that process on accounts payable. Look at streamlining expense reimbursements. As a small business owner, you have expenses yourself that need to be ran through the company as well as employees. So start streamlining expense reimbursements. So looking at Expensify, or there's other third-party apps that can help you streamline that process so you're not data entering your expense reimbursements. There's even some optimizing of the back office tasks that you're going to want to start thinking about, like document storage. And, the goal that I will just urge you to say is you've already invested a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of resources and training, and people are really used to QuickBooks Desktop, and they're used to doing things, the old school way, y'all. Well, the goal should be to extend the shelf life of your existing technology that's on that dying trill, while also preparing for the future advancements. So now is the time, as you're thinking about your 2024 business plan, hey, what switches and changes do we need to make because of these changes at Intuit? If we cannot make those changes now, what are the things that we can start kind of like peeling away, like eating the cookie one bite at a time? What are the little micro bites that we can start making in order to set ourselves up for success when this technology does arrive or is extinct? So there you have it. A wonderful world of possibilities in the world of accounting. If you found this information valuable, please do not forget to do all of the YouTubey things. Please like this video and hit the thumbs up. That helps push this video out to more people. So really appreciate it. Consider subscribing to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, never miss an upload, and you'll always be able to catch my lives daily, Monday through Friday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern. All right. And please drop a comment below. I do read all of your comments. I do love them. So let me know your thoughts, questions, or what you'd like to see in our next episode. Feedback is a gift. So stay connected with us on social media for even more insights and behind the scenes content. Until next time, keep innovating, keep adapting, and keep mastering your finances. Thank you so much for watching.